Well, we're doing today, we're going to finish the back of the cabin up and we're going to get a door hung. So we're getting closer. We just left, all is left to do is trim work after today and some stain. We're just measuring the height from here down to here. We're just going to need a piece of paper. And,
piece of paper, what for?
like
oh, okay.
Piece of paper.
Oh. House wrap.
House wrap.
Jeez. I'm getting you to the utility. This area
I haven't decided yet what to do with it. So if it's slotted for a window, so you could just put a little sheet of plywood in there, right? Yeah, like 1/4 inch or two. Give me 3 8-foot boards. 8 foot? Or 4-foot boards, sorry. It's gonna take a little bit. I just gotta make sure I don't step off the edge here. Well, that would be a good thing. It's not gonna be. Only do one. Only do one. That's right.
And then your hunting career's over.
Pretty much any career.
No, I'd say so.
I didn't feel like I got anything that one.
Yes, because the corner is open. You need to go down a little for the 2x4. The 4x4 is in the corner. See, there's a space here, back in here. There's a space in here about 1 inch. So,
Great.
so you got to.
Well, this post is in. I should be getting that post.
You should be, but you got to come at least 1 inch. There you go. You got the fun part, up and down, up and down. And
that Dory keep, we should build a rail for it today.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll see how it.
Yeah, this won't take us long to do.
No, I don't think so. No.
Not even a couple hours. Just lower that one.
That's the plan.
How about if I just lower this one? Apparently, there's more than one way.
There's always more than one.
Yeah. Better than being a dumbass.
Oh, man.
Try this again.
We'll check the level on these.
Yep. Good.
Perfect. I don't know how that happened.
At least now you keep your line going all the way around, eh?
Yeah, it looks better that way. It's gonna be a little higher here, like 30 1/4, a little under 30 1/4.
30 3/16.
Yeah, about that. Maybe cut 4 boards that length.
Okay.
So what is it that you have to do? What are you building up?
Well, I'm just getting him while I'm putting these on. We got to put another set of boards up here,
Yes,
and they're 30 3/16,
okay.
and that'll take us up.
Okay. Because this is just going to be a solid wall.
Right.
How big is the door? Do we know?
it's 28 and something. The whole thing is 29, so.
Okay.
We're gonna need a long board 5 inches.
Okay.
5 inches wide.
48 by 5?
Yep. Trying to decide if this is going to be strong enough for a header, or we got, like, normally what you should do is double this up, but I don't think there's enough weight on that to worry about. I've already got it double here.
Yeah.
Um,
I wouldn't worry about it.
I'm not going to worry about it, but what we're going to have to do, because to put the hinges on, the hinges got to go on top of the trim, eh? So we'll have to do we have any like thinner boards left?
Just the 4-inch one?
Yeah. How many of them do we got?
You want to trim that door on?
Well, you pretty much have to, or otherwise you can't put the hinges on.
74.5.
Yeah.
I got 4 altogether, but I can rip some.
I guess if we have to rip it, we have to rip it.
Yeah.
I'll need a piece up top as a fill-in.
Yeah.
I'll get you that measurement.
Yeah.
And then
I'll send these up.
well, you no, it's no use because we've got to do a 45 on
All right.
on the corners. So you can send me 2 up
For the bottom.
for the bottoms, and then
Just remember to use the same thickness on the side you're putting the hinges.
right.
Yeah. For a starter.
Okay.
You put them on each corner. Right.
Okay, but I tell you what, send them up to me.
Yeah.
Because the problem is we're going to have to add a little piece in there, because these things aren't 4 feet long, remember?
Well, I know.
So we're going to add another piece here, just so we can get this trim working here. Well, when you're using the doorway, the way we're using the flush mounted internal door into this space, you have to put the trim on because the hinges are going to fit over top of the trim, right? You can't put the hinges underneath the trim because it'll just bind when you try to open it.
Right.
So you got to put this on first. And the hinges on this side, we're going to have a stop over here, right? So when the door opens up, it'll be a stop here. There'll be some security this way. We're gonna put a railing on this side here, and just for safety. And but that's why it's going in here, because I don't want the door to sweep where I'm standing. So we're gonna have to notch it around this support. But we'll do that when I finish the trimming off. We're just trying to get things set up so we can put the door on today.
We don't have a jigsaw with us.
Yeah. Just to get your bolt a little bit, just like that.
Good.
Better to have a little bit of room all the way around. We can move it up a little bit.
Right on 73
Cut on this side of the line.
Yeah.
And then I told you to move it back, remember?
Yeah. You did.
You were right on the line.
How do you know where to put the hinges?
Well, I'm gonna put them here. This one's marked and it's got the 3 holes in it ready to go in. That's not where you put the hinges. No? No, we put them through the top here. No? They're flush mounting, so 8 inches. Put them 8 inches. Okay. Pass the thing over. What do you want? Hey, man. Oh. So the bottom is 8 inches, or the top, or bottom. Bottom, yeah. Minutes away
From a door.
from the door. It's officially a house here soon. Give me the.
You got the drill?
Well, yeah, you can pass it out through the window.
Yes, I can.
This is where I die.
Yeah. You be careful.
This is where I die. Buddy's dead. Tight here, isn't it?
Well, it's in that corner. You've got lots of room on this one. It's crooked. It's crooked is the issue.
Okay.
There you go. Now it's more lined up.
Okay, give me a screw there, please. Just hang on a second.
Okay. See what you got for a reveal all the way around?
Could probably come out a little bit at the top here.
Okay.
Just so the door right.
You might need to loosen them off a little bit on that side so you got more.
Well, the door is racked.
Oh, is it? Okay.
That's why it was free.
Yeah. That's right. That's why you get free stuff.
Perfect. I mean, if you got any strips that are do you have any strips that are like 2 inches, or it's just the inside door jambs, eh? No. If we got some strips cut, they don't have to be all uniform. If they're
Oh, those look good.
Well, it's what you can live with. That's
yeah.
coming up.
Okay.